Celeste is going to read a book at 1 year and 8 months. Dot and meat. Very good. All right. Flower, yeah. Dot. Flower. Dot what? Has a. You're right. Dot has a what? Yeah, what is this? What word is this? Flower. Dot has a. Well, what is this, Precious? Okay, Dot has a cat. Very good. And the cat is meat. Dot and bless you. Dot and meat sit on a mat. Very good. Dot is hot. Meat is hot. Dot. Sleep. Dot. Dot did nap. Dot did nap. Meat did. Meat did not nap. Sit. Dot sit. Dot did not nap. The end. Very good. Very good, Precious. Say bye-bye.
Some more.
Okay, you want some more? You say bye first.